Seeing is way better than reading, don't you think? Let's explore together. Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today's adventure takes us to the beautiful Miners Marsh in Kentville, Nova Scotia. Now, my original plan involved a CSA pickup and a quick walk by the water in Wolfville. But hey, that's the beauty of exploring. A wrong turn led me to this stunning winter wonderland, and let me tell you, it was a happy accident. Right off the bat, I was greeted by this incredible sight. Ice chunks flowing down the river. It's a reminder that even in the heart of winter, nature is constantly moving and changing. Look at these cool cattails poking through the snow. Did you know cattails are more than just a pretty sight? They provide food and shelter for a variety of birds and insects, making them an important part of the marsh ecosystem. As I continued along the trail, which followed the river for a bit before winding around the frozen pond, I learned some fascinating facts from the signs posted along the way. This area is designated a dike land, which means it's managed to prevent flooding from the nearby Cornwallis River. This creates a unique habitat that's crucial for many species. Did you know? Miners Marsh is a vital stopover point for a unique species of salmon, the Inner Bay of Fundy Atlantic salmon. These endangered fish spend most of their lives in the nearby Cornwallis and Gaspereau rivers, only migrating to the Bay of Fundy and no further than the Gulf of Maine in the winter months. The signs also mentioned the importance of riparian habitat. This refers to the area where land meets water, like the marshy edges of Miners Marsh. This habitat provides food and shelter for a variety of wildlife, including birds, mammals, and amphibians. Speaking of protecting the environment, you might notice me wiping my boots at the beginning and the end of the trail. This is actually a very important practice. It helps prevent the spread of invasive species. These non-native plants and animals can harm the delicate balance of the ecosystem, so it's important to be mindful when exploring natural areas. And of course, no wetland would be complete without its feathered residents. The signs mention some fascinating birds to keep an eye out for, like marsh wrens, black ducks, great blue herons, and even bald eagles. This adventure reminded me of two important things. Embrace the unexpected. Sometimes the best discoveries happen when you take a wrong turn. And solo adventures can be amazing too. Going at your own pace and savoring the quiet beauty of nature can be truly rejuvenating. Whether you start by the river or the pond, Miners Marsh offers a beautiful winter walk. The scenery is stunning, the information is fascinating, and the importance of protecting this vital ecosystem is clear.